How's it going, guys? It is Dylan. Before I get started with this video, just want to give you a quick update on what's going to be coming up. I have been shooting a lot of video lately, but I haven't edited anything, so here's a couple previews of what's going to be coming up soon. I've got enough footage for about 8 videos, and I want to release a video every week or so. And right now I need to order some parts, but I don't have the money for it. So hopefully in 8 weeks I'll have the money. But for now, just enjoy this video. I'm cleaning up the parts a little bit. I use the wire brush on my drill press. I put it at like 2500 RPM or something like that. And it takes off pretty much everything on the surface, so it works really well. As far as cleaning, I use the industrial grade purple degreaser by ZET and just some regular dish soap. After that, I just put on a coat of gloss black paint just to match the engine bay. And some time lapses. This part is pretty much self-explanatory, so no need for commentary. So in this segment, I am disassembling the headlights so I can paint them and get them all matching the engine bay. It is a very simple process, also no really need for explanation. I mean, if I do need to explain something, just ask. When music I start a movement, I'm stepping up to the plate. They got a lot of excuses and ways of making you wait for the real that you can feel when it's running all through your bones. My job is to write a poem to feel inviting as a home. So it started from the bottom with common on sound bombing. Living legends just in the top rhyming. Right here I thought I needed to take off that plate for some reason, so I was gonna drill it out. Then I realized that the 2 screws that hold it in are not even connected to that, so you can just pop it out. Then I sand down the headlight cover so it matches the body of the car. And I'll skip through the painting this time. And here's a quick view of the final product. For some reason I didn't film anything else. Now on to installing the headlight. Very easy, I think it's like 4 bolts or something like that. there's the shot of them both installed, and obviously the winky face. Now I'm going to tackle reinstalling the main engine bay harness, and I print out the full service manual just so I know where everything goes and I don't put anything in the wrong place. Right here I really need to do a better job of getting the rest of this taped up, and I'll probably do that in the future, but I just want to do that part so I could fit it through there. And on my radiator support, I just cut off that small piece for the fan shroud because I'm not going to be using it anymore, aka weight reduction. And then I do a quick test fit of my Mishimoto radiators just to see what it looks like. And that is it for the video. Stay tuned for my videos on the RB coming up soon. I got it all disassembled and hopefully y'all come view it. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.